Okay, so your wine's been fermenting for 7 days now, and what we're going to do is wrap that off now into our glass demijohn. To do that, you're going to need obviously your wine that's fermented. I've just put that on top of a couple of kitchen objects to aid the siphon process. We've got a cleaned and sterilised glass demijohn, siphon tube, racking cane. We've got a rubber bung and also our airlock. The tube's connected to the racking cane now, and the cap on the end of the racking cane allows that so that when we push that down into the wine towards the end of the siphon process, it won't draw any unwanted sediment in, making a cloudier wine. So basically what we'll do, we'll take the lid off the wine, we'll hold the racking cane there and just gently push that down so we don't disturb the sediment. And we take this end of the tube now and we'll suck through that. You'll see the wine flow down. As you see it get very, very close, just tip the end into the demijohn and that siphon process will start to work. So I'll show that now. As you can see, that's well underway there. And the whole process will happen automatically now. What we need to concentrate on is just holding our racking cane steady so that we don't disturb the sediment at the bottom of the bucket. Okay, so we're getting near to the bottom of the bucket now, and as you can see that you can probably see the level dropping here. This will stop itself as the level of the liquid drops below the siphon tubes. You'll see some air bubbles, and that process will actually stop. So it's important to hold the cane as steady as you can at this point, just to keep any sediment contained at the bottom. You'll see there. And the best way of getting this out now is to lift the bottom of the cane up and just tip any excess out and raise the tube up and just lift the tube out so that all of the rest of the liquid drops down out of it. You can then just tap the edge, pop that into there, and we've now got our wine ready. So we'll just pop our bung into there, which has been cleaned and sterilised. We need to just fill this half full of water. Once we've got some water in there, we'll just pop the lid in and push this into the bung just to stop any air getting back in and infection being caused. We now need to leave that to settle. Okay, so we've got all the liquid in, we've got our bung and airlock in now, and we need to put this in a warm place, just 21 to 24 degrees, and leave that for another 6 days just to complete the fermentation process.